Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best circular saw that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best circular saw. Of all power tools in your arsenal, it is a circular saw that works the hardest for prolonged hours. It is a heavy-duty unit that is known to make fast, straight, and accurate cuts on any wood surface, especially on a heavy-duty sheet and timber stuff. These power tools are versatile enough to encompass an assortment of blades that can cut through almost anything. Number 5. DCK Dongcheng brand aluminum 7-inch circular saw. It can groove on wood, cut all kinds of plastic plates, plastic-coated board, new soft material, thin aluminum, wood, rigid plastic and wood venues. Main features: sawdust separation from users, comfortable hand feeling, 1100W motor. Number 4. Bosch corded electric circular saw. Robust auxiliary handle to offer two-hand operation while cutting. High price-performance ratio. Robust base plate offers maximum robustness. Fast cutting speed. Main features: reinforced base plate design. Maximum stability. 1400 watts motor. Number 3. Bosch GKS 197-inch circular saw. Handy machine for circular saw work of all kinds in industry and in the trades. Cross and miter cuts in wood and similar materials, mainly in free handling. Main features: suitable for left-handers. Powerful and robust tool. Weight 5.7 kilograms. Number 2. Black Plus Decker CS 1500 185mm wood cutting circular saw. Beveling shoe for angled cuts. 36 teeth carbide blade for fast cutting. 2x36 teeth carbide saw blade. Main features: 1-year warranty. Power 1500 watts. Ergonomic handle. Number 1. Stanley SC16 1600 watts circular saw with 36T blade. The materials utilized to manufacture Stanley are sourced from the most reliable and official circular saws vendors. Main features: 1600 watts powerful motor. Durable construction. 65mm depth. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.